Hello. Yeah, good evening. Let us discuss about the project PDF password decryption using Pascal and LSTM. Before going to run our project, here we are creating a retrained model using LSTM to predict the encryption algorithm and hash algorithm based on the key from the uploaded document. Whenever user uploads the document, we are storing the document in a particular folder, and then we are identifying the key of that particular document. Then we are providing that key to our LSTM model to predict encryption hash and encryption algorithm and hash algorithm. And then our Pascal algorithm convert our passwords to that particular hash using some hashing technique. And then we're going to compare our encrypted passwords with the document encryption. If any match found, then we're detecting the password and offset values of that particular PDF file, and then we are providing the same values to our front end to display those values, and we can find our model in this model folder. Here you can find the model.pkl, okay. And these are the data sets which were used to train our LSTM model. And let us run our project. Okay, go to the file where you can find manage.py and enter cmd here. Just enter the command python space manage space run server. Crvl. It will provide one URL. Just copy that one and paste in any one of the browser and just run it. This is our home page. Just click on try now or upload buttons to upload the document. Here you can upload two inputs. One is encrypted password and another one is some of the known passwords list in text format. Just click on the start button. Okay. Here is the password and These are the algorithms. Here is hashing algorithm and encryption algorithm and offset values of that particular algorithm. You can find all the uploaded documents here with those passwords. Thank you. I hope you got some idea.